Welcome to this 5-minute simple breath meditation. Find somewhere comfortable to sit. Close down your eyes and relax. Begin to feel the sensation of your lungs expanding on every inhale. See if you can sip in a little bit more air at the top and exhale with a big sigh, melting even more deeply into this moment. Inhale, feeling your belly, ribs, chest expand, finding length in your spine. And exhale, letting all the air be released from your lungs, finding stillness at the bottom of your exhale. Breathe in, feel life filling you up, invigorating you. Pause. And exhale, letting all tension, thoughts, ideas simply melt away as you do. Inhale, find lift through the crown of your head. And exhale, release. Feel your shoulders melt away from your ears and your whole body relax. Inhale, expand, be nourished. Exhale, release, let go, surrender. Now be still. Let your breath flow in and out naturally, easily, effortlessly. Rest here in your own gentle presence, letting your breath soothe and nourish you, feeling completely relaxed. Gently open up your eyes. Let your gaze be soft as you arrive back in your body, your space. And just notice how you feel now. Perhaps a little more relaxed, a little more at ease. And know that you can bring this calm with you into your day by continuing to breathe deeply, slowly, consciously. Infusing each moment with a little more spaciousness, a little more love, and an abiding sense of peace. With so much love, from my heart to yours, Namaste.